Today, we're pitting two giants against each other, the Yokohama Advan Sport V107 and the Michelin Pilot Sport V. Both tires are renowned for their exceptional performance and cutting-edge technology. But which one truly stands out? Let's find out. When it comes to performance, both tires excel, but in different areas. In wet conditions, the Yokohama Advan Sport V107 shows its strength with a shorter braking distance, stopping in just 39.7 meters from 80 kilometers per hour. The Michelin Pilot Sport V, however, isn't far behind, stopping at 40.6 meters. In terms of handling on wet roads, the Pilot Sport V takes the lead with a faster lap speed and better aquaplaning resistance. Its design helps maintain control even in the most challenging conditions. On dry surfaces, the story is similar. The Yokohama Advan Sport V107 impresses with a slightly shorter braking distance of 33.5 meters from 100 kilometers per hour compared to the Pilot Sport V's 34.1 meters. However, the Advan Sport V107 shines in dry handling, achieving a higher average lap speed. Comfort and noise levels are also critical for a pleasant driving experience. The Advan Sport V107 is a tad quieter, reducing exterior noise by 0.2 decibels more than the Pilot Sport V. While this may seem minor, every bit counts when you're on a long drive. For those concerned with efficiency and longevity, the Michelin Pilot Sport V stands out. It offers significantly lower rolling resistance, which can enhance fuel efficiency and reduce CO2 emissions. Moreover, in mileage tests, the Pilot Sport V far outlasts the Advan Sport V107 with a projected lifespan of 55,600 kilometers compared to the Advan's 33,600 kilometers, which is a 22,000 kilometers difference. So, which tire should you choose? If you're looking for exceptional wet braking and dry performances, the Yokohama Advan Sport V107 might be your pick. But if you value long-term durability, lower rolling resistance, and all-around superior performance, the Michelin Pilot Sport V is hard to beat. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.